If you're a PC gamer, then it's likely that you have those RGB mechanical gaming keyboards. It's either the clicky one, which is the blue switches, the smooth one, which is the reds, and the bumpy one, which is the browns. But whatever you have, I'm here to say that your mechanical gaming RGB Razer keyboard, whatever that is garbage. And here's why. Okay, let's start off with the sucky keyboards and work our way up. So we have the membrane keyboards. It's those squishy, flat keyboards. These could be like your laptop keyboard, the office keyboard, a kid's keyboard. But the point is, every time I press a key, it feels like I'm just poking my fingers into shit. Oops, sorry. Next level is the semi-mechanical keyboards. These things are just weird. Like, if you want to get a mechanical keyboard, then just get it. Don't waste your money on a semi-mechanical keyboard. And why am I saying all of this? It's because I am stupid enough to buy one of these. It may have the word mechanical, but trust me, it feels just like the school's library keyboard with some RGB. Now we get into the real problem, the gaming keyboards. It's the reason why I made this video. People normally associate gaming keyboards with its loudness, the RGB, and its gamer. Example, if you were to have a 10-year-old Dell laptop, your sister's Hello Kitty mouse, 7-Eleven speakers, what would you do to light up your setup and turn it into a real gaming setup? Well, of course, you can buy CTBT BESE RGB backlit gaming keyboard, mechanical feel, 87 keys, wired gaming keyboard is quiet, LED, rainbow backlit keyboard, waterproof, suitable for PC game player office. Just for $11. With just this one keyboard, whoever walks past your desk setup will instantly recognize that you are a gamer, a professional game player office. You will eventually want those expensive gaming brand name keyboards like the Ducky 12 Mini, SteelSeries Apex Pro, Logitech G915, Razer Huntsman, Razer Huntsman Mini, Razer Huntsman Elite, Razer Black Widow V2, Razer Black Widow V3, Razer Black Widow V3. Yeah, whatever Razer releases, those goddamn Razer fuckers are still gonna buy their goddamn black rectangles. Yeah, those Razer optical switches that shoot fucking laser, pew pew pew, it ain't doing shit. Because the difference in speed is very minimal and you're not even gonna notice it. Unless you're a pro gamer like me. Well, a majority of people knows that gaming keyboard doesn't really improve your gaming skills, but they say that they buy gaming keyboards for the feel, the gaming experience. Then if you buy gaming keyboards for its feel, then why not just make your own keyboard and customize it however you want it to feel? Building custom keyboards are considered a hobby, and in the keyboard community, you will meet people like Teha Types, Homogeneo, QWERTY Keyboards, Shoobs, Glasses, Squashy Boy, Hippio Tech, Tay Keyboards, Switch and Click, and Wildcat. These are people who create some good custom keyboard content, so I highly recommend you watch them. So custom keyboards, as the name says, it's entirely custom. The shape, the noise, the appearance, the feel, it's entirely up to you. For instance, if you want a small keyboard, then get a 60% keyboard. If you want a small keyboard but you really need the arrow keys, get a 65%. If you want a curvy keyboard that you think looks weird and quirky, get an Alice layout. Or if you even want to be more unique, then get a dactyl keyboard. There are plethoras of keyboard cases and layouts you can buy, and compared to the gaming keyboards, what they have to offer is black rectangle. Switches for ordinary gaming keyboards is either blue, red, or brown. If you're lucky, you might get yellows. And if it's the Razer ones, you know, there's a different Razer optical switches, but who cares? Because custom keyboards, you get these really ridiculously named switches like the U4T Bobas, Banana Split, Glorious Pandas, Tangerines, Kale Jades, stabilizers. A lot of people tend to just ignore it, but these are the two pillars that help hold up your shift key, backspace, enter, and spacebar. A lot of people, for some reason, still can't tell the difference between bad stabs and good ones. Here, listen to this. Now at first, you might think it sounds normal, but now listen to this. No rattle, no scratchy, just soft. Keycaps. Now most keycaps on gaming keyboards are ABS. It's those cheap keycaps that shines brighter than Jeff's head after you use them for some time. If you buy your own keycaps, you can get these beautiful, good-looking, exquisite, appealing, ravishing, pulchritudinous looking keycaps. I mean, you can just buy these really good looking keycaps and put it on your gaming keyboard, but like, why? Just make your own custom keyboard so that you can have these colorful cases you can put the keycaps with, not your ugly ass black rectangle. Oh, and dampening foams. It helps dampen the noise of your keyboard. I mean, you can really use anything, really. You can use the bubbles, even cement, like what Squashy Boy did. But what I did, I just cut out my mom's yoga mat and put it in my keyboard. And there's much more factors that goes into making a good custom keyboard, but that's just the basics. So next time, if you want a new keyboard, don't buy a gaming keyboard because they're gay and not worth the price. Instead, make your own custom keyboard. Just start off with the beginner builds like a GK61 hot swappable, and then you can start buying parts from KBD fans, go into group buy, post your builds on Reddit, make more keyboard, post more things on Reddit, start a YouTube channel, become Teha Types,
and then sell your kidneys to the black market to pay off all the debt from buying keyboards. And thank you for watching.
Oh yeah, and apologies for my extremely late upload since school started. Yeah, I know, school, the worst thing ever, right? I didn't really have time to make videos, and this video was especially long. Like, my school expected us to read a book every week. And me, who doesn't read books, like, the longest book I've ever read was fucking Geronimo Stilton. So in the meantime, you guys can just go watch your other YouTubers, but I will still upload, I'm not dead. And here are words of encouragement from my friend that helped pressured me into making the video.
Hey yo Mix, do you remember what I asked you yesterday?
No.
When's the fucking upload, bitch?